Hello, this is going to be a brief overview of the databases at Hammersley Library's website and looking at how to search in them. So right now I'm at research.wou.edu/az.php. And right here is a list of all the databases that you can search through. And here, if you want to search databases, you can pick by topic, by type, by vendor, or you can search for the database's name individually. Most of the time, though, we're just going to be searching for topics and not so much through databases. So over here you have the Academic Search Premier, which will search EBSCO, and you can limit your results to only full text and only peer-reviewed. Now, a lot of times you're going to want both of these, so we'll just check them. And then I'm going to do a search for eating disorders and click search. And this takes us to EBSCO's page. And as you can see, there is a full text PDF available for all of these and things like that. You can also narrow your search preferences over here. Going back to the main page, you also have the option to search through different databases. So JSTOR is another one that's pretty good. You can just go here and search for things like food and see different results here. And you can also narrow your result type over here and things like that. All the databases will have ways that you can know the specificity of your search. Now, if you're on campus at WOU, you probably won't have to log into anything to access these, but if you're accessing the database from your home computer, it will probably want you to log in, and you will just use your Moodle credentials to get in when that happens.